blood type. That would make sense to me. Some people probably have sweeter tasting blood to the mosquitoes. It's true though. There's certain people that get all the bites. Salt, like how much salt is in your diet? I think that probably has a lot to do with it. What your diet is. Yeah, yeah. Why do mosquitoes bite certain people more than others? Yeah, Carolyn, it is. Well, we have the big frogs that are down in the pond, and then the high-pitched ones are up in the trees. Yeah, the citronella candles are nice. I'd rather burn the candles. I'm not really a fan of the bug spray. Lemongrass, okay. I'll look into that. That's good to know. Hmm. Have you ever tried it before? Does it taste like lemon? Is that why they call it lemongrass? Oh, and tea, okay. Yeah, I see the flying hearts. Thank you, everybody. All right, I am approaching an hour of being live here. I think it's about time for me to go in. Thanks, everybody, for hanging out. I'm going to call it a night. We will be out on the back porch tomorrow morning at about 11 o'clock Eastern Time for our morning hangout. It might be kind of rainy tomorrow. Good night. Good night. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope everybody can stop.